These are the wireless headphones. This is the original battery which was in this headphones, and this is damaged was not charging, so these headphones were not working. So I opened this headphones and removed this battery, and now added the phone's battery, mobile battery, which is 2000 mAh by Micromax, and I connected it to the connectors, like positive to the positive terminal of battery and negative to the negative terminal of battery. So now I have kept it for charging. So you can see that a red light is on here, indicating that it is charging. And these are the wireless headphones. uh, these are the wireless headphones by brand wireless. You can see the name. So now I will turn on these headphones and check whether it are working or not. So I have inserted one SD card here. You can see here. See, in that one SD card is inserted, and there are some songs in it. So now I am turning on the wireless headphones. So here is the power. So see, here is the power on switch. So I will press it. See, you can see that blue light is blinking, and it started. You can hear the sound. So here are the volume and change the song buttons. So I will try pressing this. So you can hear that the song is changed. Now it is playing Made in India song by Guru Randhawa. So you can see here the red one is the positive, and black one is negative terminal for batteries, which I have connected here. You can hear the song. There is no wire connected to it. See, these are the different earphones. This is the charging wire. So I will change the sound. This whole battery became the fat, like little bit. This is not working and even not charging. And even there is no problem with 2000 mAh battery with the earphones. The audio is clear, no heating, and even it is charging. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to the channel Darshan Rai. Signing off.